This is the MACH Show 2018. This is day 4 of 5. It's a long show. Most shows are not that long. And it's based at the NEC, and it's over a lot of the NEC. It's a huge show. But puzzlingly, it's only every 2 years. Now, it's a machining and manufacturing show. This is an area where there is lots of innovation, lots of development, and 2 years seems to be a little too infrequent for an industry like this. I think it would be more appropriate to have something like a 3-day show over a smaller footprint every 12 months or so, which is, to be honest, more standard than to have this great behemoth of a show so infrequently that some technologies can emerge and become old hat between shows. There may be a reason for it, I just don't know what it is. Maybe I'll find an organiser and quiz them. Well, I just went to the organiser's office to ask them about why it's so infrequent, this show, why it's only every 2 years and not every year like other shows. And the answer was, not really sure, but it's always been like that. Which, make of that what you will, I guess, but that's the position. I think it's a show that would be ripe for a more frequent interval.